This is slide 1 introduction to the operators in Python. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about operators in Python. Operators are special symbols used to perform operations on values or variables. In simple words, operators helps Python do calculations and comparisons. For example, if you want to add two numbers, compare to values, or check which number is bigger, operators makes that possible. Think of operators like tools in mathematics. For example, plus or addition, minus for subtraction, equals to compare values. Python mainly has different types of operators, but today we will focus on arithmetic operators and comparison operators. These are the most important beginner concepts because they are used in almost in every program. So remember, operators is equals to symbols that perform actions on data. For slide 2, arithmetic operators in Python. Now let's start with arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used for mathematical calculations. The main arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and percentile. And let's see the examples. A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 5. Now we can add those numbers and we can subtract those numbers. We can multiply, we can divide, and we can do modulus of those numbers. These operations are mainly useful in calculation of marks, shopping bills, percentage calculations, age calculations, and many daily tasks. So whenever you need math in Python, use arithmetic operators. Slide 3 explains about comparison operators in Python. Next, let's learn comparison operators. Comparison operators compare two values and return either true or false. This means Python checks whether a condition is correct. Important comparison operators are double equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than. Example, A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 5. Now we can check whether A double equals to B is equals to false. A not equals to B true. A greater than B true. A less than B is false. These operations and these operators are very useful in decision making. Programs like checking voting age, password verification, game scores, or login systems. So remember, comparison operators always give true or false. And at last, we are going to see the comparison in between arithmetic versus comparison operators. Let's quickly understand the difference. Operators are used for calculations. For example, 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. Comparison operators used for checking conditions. Example, 10 greater than 5, true. Think of it like this: if you calculate marks, use arithmetic. If you check pass or fail, use comparison. Quick recap: arithmetic is equals to math, comparison is equals to true or false checking. Today you learned what operators are, arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and how they are used. Practice by trying 10 plus 20, 10 greater than 20, 15 equals to 15. Operations and operators are the foundations for problem solving in Python. Until then, keep practicing and happy coding.